My name is Bob Scott. I'm the editor of The Progressive Accountant, and I'm sitting here on the exhibit floor with Cameron Hendrick, who's the Vice President of Business Development at eMochilla. And many of our friends in accounting may know eMochilla because it has been marketing accounting website tools in order to enable accountants to have their own websites for the last few years. And I'd like to talk to you today, Cameron, about just what's new with eMochilla. And the main thing is I understand you've had a major change to your website platform.
Sure.
Could you just explain a little bit what you've done and how that affects your customers?
Sure. Well, first of all, thanks for having me. And yeah, basically, just as a quick background on us, we've been doing this for about 8 years. We've got about 2,500 accountants that we do websites for right now. And basically what Bob was referring to is that we just kind of redeveloped our website platform to make it more of like a do-it-yourself tool.
What does this mean, do-it-yourself? I mean, what does it let your customers do that maybe they couldn't do or didn't do before?
Sure. So now the way that it works is you can literally go to our website, type in your contact info, it'll generate a website for you, and then the client can then go in and drag and drop where they want the website buttons. They can upload their screenshot, they can edit the text. It's as if they're writing in like a Microsoft Word file, and then when they submit it, the changes will take effect on the site.
So they're really not doing any programming. They're not touching code. They're doing things that they're more familiar with.
Right. It's called WYSIWYG. It's basically like an acronym for what you see is what you get. So you just type in what you see, and that's what you get on the website.
And then when you want to put something somewhere, you just move it.
Yeah, it's literally drag and drop. So if you wanted to move the button up higher, you just click it, move it up, and it'll take effect immediately on the site.
Are there any other features, any other changes that have accompanied this platform?
Yeah, definitely. I think just kind of in general, our business model has shifted slightly. What we realized is our main focus is building the website, doing the graphic design, giving the client a really professional look and feel, writing the content, things like that. But what we've also realized that there's many other really good companies in the accounting profession that provide more niche services. So like a client portal, or like QuickBooks hosting, payment integration. So they do those things better than we could do internally. So what we've done is we've opened up our website platform to be able to link in with any of these other, cloud-based kind of programs.
What would this, for instance, let the CPA do, the accountant do, that they haven't been able to do before?
Sure. So now what they'll be able to do is take any of these sort of programs that they're already using. So if they're using a QuickBooks hosting program or a different file sharing program, and link them all into their website so that they can have their clients log into one place. Instead of having all these different links to log into, it's all right there on their website. So they say, hey, go to my website, you can access the payment, you can access the QuickBooks hosting, client portals. It's kind of like a hub for whatever add-ons you want to put in. And so we kind of just opened up our platform to be able to absorb more different programs like APIs with different companies.
So again, the emphasis is on making the platform more open?
Yeah, more open, more flexible. Basically, the point is that we've kind of realized we can't be a jack of all trades. We want to focus on what we do best, which is the website, hosting, design, tech support, and find the best breed of other services and just kind of integrate those in as an extended part of our offering.
And I take it that for the accountant, that one of the key things is if they use this platform, they're going to be more able to get to look the way they want it to look and to do the things they want it to do.
Exactly. Yeah, it's more flexible. The design can be whatever it needs to be. And yeah, we can put things on certain parts of the website a lot more easily. Whereas before it was a pretty standard, header, buttons down the side or across the top format. Now you can kind of make it literally look however you want.
So that's great, and I'm sure that your customers, that the attendees at the show will be looking forward to discussing with you. Again, this is Bob Scott. I'm the executive editor of The Progressive Accountant. We've been talking to Cameron Hendrick, who's the Vice President of Business Development at eMochilla, which makes website services for accountants. And I'd like to thank you for taking the time to talk with this camera, and I'd like to thank the viewers for taking the time to learn about your product.
Thank you, Bob.